Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce you to the software I'll be using, and it is Alight Motion. Alight Motion is a powerful mobile video editing app, perfect for beginners and advanced editors alike. Whether you're creating animations, effects, or professional-grade videos, this app is everything you need right on your phone. Let's take a quick tour. The green plus button is for create a new project. You can name your project. You can choose the ratio as you want. I simply use 1:1 ratio for my edits. Resolution at 360 for no lag. FPS at max. BG color black. As you import something, the timeline creates. If you want to delete something, simply tap here. Here you can find different shaped icons. And here your media files. Beat marking in Alight Motion is super easy. Just tap on the time and it marks with a red line. For exporting, simply tap here. While exporting, choose resolution 1080. Copy the settings just like me. Then tap on export. You can check the preview and then save. Next tutorial on my intro.